If you're feeling lost, tired, or like something inside you is breaking, this prayer is for you. Lord, some days I smile on the outside but feel empty on the inside. I show up, I try, I keep going, but deep down, I'm worn out. There are wounds I can't explain, fears I can't quiet, and moments when I wonder, where are you, God? Why does life feel so heavy? Why does my soul feel so tired? But even in my brokenness, I turn to you. Not because I have strength left, but because I've run out of options. Because I believe, even just a little, that you can meet me right here. Right in the middle of the mess. And make something beautiful. God, I give you my weariness. The kind that sleep doesn't fix. The kind that comes from carrying burdens too long, pretending everything's okay. You see what no one else sees. The pain behind my quiet moments. The tears behind my closed doors. I bring you my fears, of failure, of rejection, of being alone. I bring you my past, the shame, the regrets, the things I've buried. I bring you my present, messy, uncertain, overwhelming. And I bring you my future, unknown, unclear, yet fully in your hands. Lord, enter my heart right now. Not just as a visitor, but as the one who dwells, heals, and restores. I don't want a quick fix. I want transformation. I want you to sit with me in the silence, and remind me that I'm not alone. Come into the rooms of my heart I've closed off for years. Into the bitterness I've refused to release. Into the loneliness I've learned to ignore. Into the parts of me I've forgotten how to feel. Breathe new life into what feels dead inside me. Let your spirit flood me. Let your voice be louder than the noise in my mind. Heal me, God. Not just my body, but my memories, my patterns, my beliefs. Heal the version of me that was hurt by others. Heal the child in me who never felt enough. Heal the soul in me that's still trying to earn love you already gave. I don't need to impress you. I just need to let you in. So here I am, Lord. Not polished. Not proud. Just honest. Just present. Just yours. Wrap me in your mercy. Cover me with your peace. Remind me that my worth is not in what I do, but in who I belong to. And I belong to you. God, I don't want to survive, I want to live. I want to wake up with hope again. I want to move forward with clarity. Show me who I am. Remind me why I'm here. And guide me toward the purpose you designed for me. Give me courage to forgive. Give me strength to try again. Give me wisdom to choose the better way, even when it's hard. Make my life a testimony of your grace. Thank you for meeting me here. For not asking me to be strong, but inviting me to be real. I leave this moment different. Not because my situation changed, but because I know you're in it with me. And that's enough. You are my peace. You are my shelter. You are my strength. You are my healer. You are my God. I trust you. I rest in you. I am yours. Amen. Lord, thank you for this moment of stillness, for this breath, for this prayer, for this time with you. I don't want to rush out of your presence. I want to carry it with me. Let your peace remain in me. Let it overflow into how I treat others. Let it transform how I see myself. Let it shape how I move through this day. Remind me that I am held, that I am safe, that I am loved. I choose to live in your peace, not just tonight, not just in this moment, but every day forward. You are my shepherd. I shall not want. You lead me beside still waters. You restore my soul. And so, I rest in you, Lord. Not just physically, but emotionally, spiritually, completely. Amen.